What's up everybody, let's talk about RAM and why you might be replacing yours. There's a bird outside. There's a few reasons why you might be doing this. The main two reasons I would say are due to a failure or an upgrade. You might hear beep codes. These are a series of beeps that occur during startup that indicate that there is a problem with your RAM. 2 beeps means that there's no RAM detected. If this occurs, you might want to take it out and reseat it to make sure that it's properly inserted. 4 beeps means that it detects a read-write failure, which means that your RAM could be damaged. The second reason you might be replacing your RAM is to upgrade it. Whether you're gaming, video rendering, or looking for an overall performance boost, upgrading your RAM is a good option. Check the graphic right here to see the RAM type, configuration, and max allowable for yours. And if this video helped you out, leave us a like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Thanks.
Parts People Tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Okay, tools. I used a Phillips number 1 for this repair. If you don't have one and you need one, I'll leave a link for that as well as your Dell replacement parts down below. First, unscrew and gently pry apart the bottom base cover. Real quick, I just want to mention that I referenced the Dell owner's manual when I performed these repairs. You might have found a way that works better and faster for you. So if you did, tell us how you did it below. Then to avoid electrical damage, disconnect your battery. Now use your fingers to separate the tabs and gently slide out the memory sticks. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... The reinstallation is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.